flawless victory. What is up, everybody? Now, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell so you will know when we drop new videos and bring you really cool new exclusives like this right here. Now, without further ado, let's freeze it up. Hope you guys enjoyed that right there. And that is right. This video means that we've got a brand new, really cool exclusive for you from Hogue. We're going to dive right in and check these out. Now, of course, the theme for these is Sub-Zero. That is why we did the video like we did. And these are really cool. We're going to take a look at these and go over the specs on these. We don't think these are going to last very long, simply because they are absolutely awesome. And we know you guys are going to love them. We know you want to see them. So let's go ahead and take a look at them up close. We're going to start with the clip point right here. And these things are really cool. Now you'll notice, first off, the handle material. That is going to be marble carbon fiber, and you can see it's infused with blue right there. Obviously the reason why this is called the Sub-Zero. And that might be a hint to things to come in the future. You know, we drop hints all the time, whether it's in our background, whether it's in some of the posts that we make. So you can start speculating as to what might be out there. And right now, it's the Sub-Zero, and this thing is awesome. Now, I know you're wondering what the blade steel is. That's CPM Magnacut. That's right. We know so many people have been wanting Magnacut in a production knife, and we've got it right here in an exclusive that you can only get right here at SMKW. Now, that's a black Cerakote finish on that Magnacut tool steel blade. Ambi thumb studs, the Able lock from Hogue, which is fantastic. Blue and black marble carbon fiber handles, Ambi tip-up stainless steel pocket clip and lanyard hole. It includes the black zippered nylon carry case. And this one was designed by Alan Lishwitz. So Alan designed the Hogue Deka in general. This is just a version of the Deka, and obviously you can tell this is the Gen 2, so it's only got the 3 grip screws there instead of the 5. So this is the Gen 2 model, and it's going to be ambi on the pocket clip, ambi on the thumb studs, and obviously the Able lock is ambidextrous as well. Really easy to reverse flick right there with those ambi thumb studs. And those Magnacut blades come extremely sharp right out of the package. Measurements on this, 3.25 inches on the clip point blade, 0.09 inches thick, nice and slicey, 4.25 inches closed right there, and 7.5 inches overall, weighing in at just 2.3 ounces for a nice full-sized EDC. Can easily get 4 fingers on there. Super comfy. And really dig that knife right there. Absolutely beautiful. Coming in at $199. Now let's go over the Horny. We've got one with the Wharncliffe blade as well, because we know it is super popular, and love that compound grind on that Wharncliffe blade right there. Now this one also is in Magnacut, again with the black Cerakote finish, the ambi thumb studs, Able lock, blue and black marble carbon fiber, ambi tip up, stainless steel pocket clip, and lanyard hole. Includes the black zippered nylon carry case as well. And this one's coming in with a 3.25 inch Wharncliffe blade, 0.09 inches thick, 4.25 inches closed, and 7.5 inches overall. So specs are the same, weight is exactly the same, and these things are cool. So again, we've got the clip point, and we've got the Wharncliffe. Absolutely beautiful offerings from Hogue right there. And those are going to be available. Now, we are releasing them today. All you got to do is click the link in the description below. They are going to be available next Friday. So today is Friday the 11th. They will be available next Friday, the 18th, at 10 a.m. Eastern. 10 a.m. Eastern. So when you click the link in the description below, they're going to show out of stock. No, we're not sold out. We still have people that have a hard time understanding this. we're making them available to see and look at on the website so that you can be signed up and notified as soon as they come available on the website. As soon as they show in stock, you will get sent an email. So all you have to do is click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to the page for these Hogue Dekas. Then all you have to do is put your email in, click the Notify Me button, and it's going to notify you when these are in stock, which will be on Friday, March 18th, 10 a.m. Eastern. Friday, March 18th, 10 a.m. Eastern. That's when these will be available. Okay? Yep. You got that? Yeah? You sure? Okay. We'll see. So these are going to be available then, and you're going to want to get your hands on these pretty quickly because they're not going to last long, and we've only got a limited amount of them available. So check these out. Click the link in the description below. Sign up to be notified when those go live. We will also be going live on social media when these go live so that you know when you can pick these up. And like I said, they're not going to last long. Folks, again, if you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think about this in the comments down below. Let us know if this is something you want to pick up. Like I said before, they're coming in at $199 for the CPM Magnacut. Cerakote finish on the blade, blue and black marble carbon fiber, and I got to tell you, that Sub-Zero design, that thing is really, really cool. Absolutely banging. So let us know what you think about these in the description below. Let us know what you think about the Dekas in general. I'm really digging these. I'm really digging this model, and let us know what you think about it. As always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com, and remember, if it cuts like a Sub-Zero, then we carry it.
Finish him, fatality. Come here.
I really enjoy getting to do stuff that takes me back to my childhood. What? So, unfortunately, this really cool mask is getting in my way. But I really like this mask. I was trying to hold off on that one. Oh, me so horny. Get it because it's a wharncliffe blade? Me so horny? Stop, collaborate, and listen. Hogue is back. Ice is back with a brand new edition. This is the Sub-Zero exclusive from SMKW. That was stupid. We're stupid. You're geniuses.